Howdy! Welcome to Aspire Mountain Academy. I'm Professor Curtis, your instructor for this course in Introductory Statistics. In less than 10 minutes, this video describes what dummy variables are and how they allow regression models to be made from some categorical data sets. Let's get started. So, what we're looking at here when we're talking about dummy variables are applications which involve what's called a dichotomous variable. Dichotomous variables are one where they only have two possible discrete values. So you've got male and female, dead or alive, on or off, up or down, so on and so forth. So typically when we have a dichotomous variable like this, and notice that all these examples of dichotomous variables that were given are basically it's one or the other, okay? But they're all categorical data. So commonly what we'll do in order to make models with this categorical data, because you can't make it with something that's not qualitative. You got to have numbers in order to do the math to make the models. So commonly what we'll do is we'll use what's called a dummy variable. Dummy variables are basically variables where you've only got two values, 0 and 1. And typically the 0 will represent a failure, the 1 will represent a success. It doesn't have to be like that though. We can define this to be any way we want. So the 0 can be what we want, the 1 can be what we want. Doesn't matter. All that matters is that we have to remember how we define it at the start and then remain consistent with that definition as we solve our particular problem. And this is what we mean when we're talking about a dummy variable. So a dummy variable is a variable where you've only got two values, 0 and 1. Let's take a look at the previous example that we had for predicting the height of a daughter based on the height of the mother and father. What we want to do is expand that model to include not just daughters, but also sons. So here we've got the gender of a child, and we've got males and females now included in our data set. So what we want to do is make a model that predicts the height of a child based on the gender of the child and the height of the parents. To do this, we're going to have to convert that categorical data for gender into numerical values, qualitative data. So, or rather I should say quantitative data. Jeez, still getting those two confused. It's quantitative data. So to do that, we're going to use a dummy variable. So we make assignments for 0 and 1. So in this case, let's just say 0 is female and 1 is for male. We could assign it the other way if we wanted to. It wouldn't matter, but we'll just make it assignment this way. So what that means is in our data set in StatCrunch, we're going to take all of the M's and replace them with the number 1, and all the F's we're going to replace with the number 0. When we do that, now we've got numbers that StatCrunch will love to play with, and we can use that to make our model with. We do that, here's what comes out. So this is the results window for making that model based on the height of the mother, the height of the father, and the gender of the child. Notice the model appears up here at the same spot right there at the top of the results window. Notice that the parameters for the model are the same ones that are listed there in the parameter estimates table. So all of your coefficients there in the model are listed there in the parameter estimates table. So when I'm solving these types of problems for like a homework assignment or something like that, I usually take the values from the parameter estimates table because they're easier for me to see and look at. Next, we're going to look at a case where a mother is 63 inches tall, a father is 69 inches tall. So for that, we're going to predict the height of a daughter to be 62.8 inches. How do we get that? Well, we look at our regression model and we plug in the values for the different variables in the model. Remember that the gender of the child here is a daughter, and we assigned female to be 0 for our dummy variable. So that's where the 0 on the end comes from. We do the math on that and we find our predicted value of 62.8 inches. If we take the same two parents and say, well, what if they have a son instead of a daughter? What will be the height of the son? Well, that prediction comes out to be 67 inches tall. Where does that play out? Well, we take the same regression model, but now see we've got a 1 there on the end for a dummy variable, because now we're looking at a son. So we assigned 1 to be the males, and that's where the 1 comes from there at the end of your equation. Again, you punch out the math, and you get 66.956, which rounds up to 67. And that brings us to the end of this mini lecture. I hope you found it helpful. You can find more mini lectures for this and other courses at AspireMountainAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.